Hi, I'm Shtu. It's Easy Peasy channel. Let me show you how to clean dirt, deposits and fat from your pan. Attention! This method works only on cast iron pan. Do not apply this to non-stick pans. Take salt and fill your pan with the salt. Spread salt with your fingers so it will cover all the surface. And then heat your pan with maximum temperature for some time until all fat will be subtracted from the pan. Salt will absorb all fat and dirt like a sponge. When your pan becomes hot, remove temperature to medium or even low and leave it for about 20 minutes. Also, if you just bought a new pan, it's a nice idea to heat it for the first time with salt to make special layer of protection to your pan. And be careful, do not touch the salt, it's really hot. So, after some time, you can take off your pan and remove salt. But be careful, salt is really hot, so you can move it to some kind of another pan or some bowl until it will cool down, and then you can just move it to trash can. So leave it for some time until pan become room temperature and clean it as you clean it normally with soap or whatever. And now, look, this pan is super clean and you can fry pancakes, for instance. So, if you like to see recipe for pancakes, please visit our channel Shtu Cooking. I will leave a link down below this video. Subscribe to Easy Peasy to get more life hacks. Bye!